Let me compare this to the 4 leading growth factor products on the market. This product has actually very good science. It was launched in 2008, and I commend the company for the research that they've done. The only thing is that the product is sourced from neonatal birth tissue. It actually comes from human foreskin. So that may or may not be an issue for you. It's also very expensive and can have a bit of an organic smell. The second product also is very good. It's a human-derived growth factor. Its genesis comes from wound care. It is sourced from an aborted fetus, aborted fetal tissue. So you may or may not have an ethical question with that. Now, the third product gets a little bit more interesting. This is a plant-derived growth factor. Well, humans do not have receptors for plants. When you take a growth factor, in order for it to signal a human cell to do something, it has to bind to the receptor on the cell surface. On the surface of a fibroblast, it may stimulate that fibroblast to produce new collagen and elastin. Well, if you take a plant growth factor, it will not have a receptor to bind to when it comes to a human. So if you think that's a problem, and I think it is, this one is even more troubling. There's a lot of buzz on snail mucin, but let me tell you, if you take a mollusk-derived growth factor and you put it on human skin, in particular on compromised or injured skin, you risk an allergic reaction. You risk an immune response because the snail growth factor is a xenoprotein. It is a foreign protein. It has no place in human regenerative aesthetics. So these are the 4 products I wanted to compare Maskād to. Our product per ounce is about a quarter of the price. It's a winner.